What's up, everyone? This is Pokemon Father and Son. I'm Tim.
I'm Nathan.
And today we're going to have a battle against each other. We're both going to open 4 packs of cards each. Nathan has chosen which set?
Darkness Blades.
Darkness Ablaze. So I'm stuck with 4 packs of Shining Fates. Let's see if we can get any good pulls out of these. Who's going to win? Who's going to get the better pulls, do you think, Nathan?
Me.
And what do you want to try and pull out the packs?
This.
Yeah, we want the Charizards,
Or
don't
we
we?
can get this.
Right, so who's going to open the first pack? Who's pack first, yours or mine?
Yours.
Me first?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll give
right.
you a chance.
I'm going to go for Toxtricity pack first. We're going to leave the Charizard packs till last, just because they are what they are. So, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's the trick for this set. So, we've got... Let's see if we can get anything good from the first pack. We get a Phalanx V from the first pack, but there's something behind it. There's another card. What's that going to be? And we get a Secret Rare Skylar. That's it's a very strange pack. We just got 2 Secret Rares from 1 pack.
2 points for you.
Yeah, 2 points for me. That's a very strange pack there.
I want to start with...
a very good start for me. I'm just going to adjust the camera a second.
I'll just start with...
Try to. That's a bit better. Right, which pack do you want to open,
this
Nathan?
one.
Okay, go on then.
So,
Let's help you open it because you struggle a bit, don't you?
yeah.
Rip it open. So Nathan's
I'm
first pack.
angry!
Oh, Nathan's angry. He's ripped it open with all that power.
Wishy-washy.
Yeah, so 4, I think, for this one. Yep. Right. Just slide the cards off, Nathan, see what we get. Got Lightning Energy. Dartrix. D-Denny. Oh yeah, look, we've got the D-Denny pin box behind us. I think I can see something at your back card, Nathan. I've got a feeling you've got a good start as well. Wishy-washy!
It's like your pack.
Yeah.
Oh!
Sinisty, that's the evolve with that one. Yeah, come on, keep going, keep going. We'll show those in a minute. Feebas. I'm not sure what that is. Come on, next one. We get a reverse hollow rose, and what's last? Oh, he's got some. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Butterfree V. That's cool. And a reverse hollow. So it's 2 points to me, 1 to Nathan after the first pack. So that's a pretty good start.
Yeah. You already have something.
Right. So my second pack. See if we can continue the good pulls. 4. Sorry, one way
I
around.
see something good.
Do you?
Yeah, I did.
Maybe.
I can
It's a bit higher, sorry.
I think it's good. That's good.
Shinx, Catmere, Horsey. We have a reverse hollow Tutor. It's kind of cool. And, a hollow Indeedee. So that's another point to me. 3-1 to me at the moment, Nathan. Which pack are you going to open next? You're going to go for... Center, is that Center Scorch? Yes, I think it is.
It's the VMAX or VMAX. And this too.
Who's going to win this battle, Nathan? It's 3-1 to me.
I think it's you.
I don't know.
I will choose.
You always get good cards as well, though, don't you?
I pick myself by losing.
Go on then. Let's see what you get.
Oh, another one of those.
Yeah.
One of our boxes. One.
Wishy-washy again. Elephant. Oh, we got a Dino.
I see something good.
Mareep, the sheep. Oh, we got a reverse hollow Galarian Darumaka. And, he's done it again. Nathan gets a Stunfisk V.
Galarian.
These packs are proving to be rather good, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it's currently 3-2 to me. We've already pulled a Phalanx V, a Stunfisk V, a Butterfree V, a Skylar, and a normal hollow Indeedee. So it's my go next. Wow, these packs are really good so far, aren't they? Every pack so far, we've got something out of.
I think this has a good one, and yours does.
Let's go for my third pack.
I see something.
See if I can
good.
extend my
I
lead.
see something good.
Do you? I
Yeah.
don't know. We'll see. Fracky, Q-Fant, Hackney, Nickit, Buizel, Morpeko, Reverse Hollow Tootle again,
Oh, I see
and we've got something else. Wow, these packs are amazing. What have we got this time? A Ditto VMAX.
I hope this one.
What is going on with these packs? These literally came in the post this morning.
I get
So-
annoyed. I'm annoyed.
And every single one of them
I'm
has
annoyed.
paid
I'm
off, haven't they?
annoyed. I'm annoyed.
Nathan's annoyed.
Ah!
He's losing 4-2 at the moment. Right, go on then. Let's see what you get. Let's see if you can get a point back.
Oh,
So I ordered 4 of each pack from one of the online websites I use, as they were doing bundles. And wow, as you can see, so far, every pack has paid off rather nicely. Would like to see a Charizard, a Reverse Hollow Hippodon, and that's our first rare one, a Swanner.
look,
Is that is a rare though, Nathan? So you get a point for that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's 4-3 to me
Daddy,
currently. Yeah.
I have the red Charizard, you have the dark one.
So we're down to our 2 Charizard packs.
You have a dark one.
Would be nice to pull a Charizard,
You
wouldn't
have
it?
a dark one, I have
So
the red one.
it's my go.
I need the check again, the red one or the
Here
dark
comes my
one.
Shining Fates Charizard pack.
Here comes my darkness.
We have a Lightning Energy,
Oh,
Tropius, Floatzel, Rotom, Q-Fant, Cacnea, Gossifleur, Nickit, Trapinch. Oh, we got a shiny Ice Cube.
let me see, let me
Sorry,
see.
the sun's come out, so it's just reflecting off it. But yeah, that's all 4 packs of these Shining Fates have given hollows. And finally, we have another hollow Indeedee. So 2 shinies from the pack again. Really good. That's given me 6 pulls from 4 packs.
I did
It's a bit crazy.
I
It's your pack, Nathan.
I'm
Need a bit of help. Whoa, careful.
I'm
You
annoyed.
don't want to bend the cards,
I'm
do you?
annoyed.
Don't rip it open.
I'm annoyed.
Nathan's last pack. Is he going to get anything? Or is it a win for me today?
I just have 3, you have
Right,
5
there you are.
or 5.
Fire Energy. Come on. Let's see what you get. Rose.
Rose.
Simipour. Lunatone.
Well, I see something good.
Clink.
I
Clank.
see something good.
Ducklet. Mareep.
I see you, Charles.
Paras.
Maybe.
Gothita. Oh, what's that? A Reverse Hollow Toxapex. That looks kind of cool for a Reverse Hollow. And just a rare man set trick.
You win.
Oh wow. Well, we're going to go over the packs quickly again. So Nathan opened 4 packs of Darkness Ablaze. You got a Stunfisk V, that's pretty funky. A Butterfree V, that's pretty nice. And also a rare Reverse Hollow Hippodon. So from my 4 packs of Shining Fates, I'm not quite sure how that's happened. We have a Skylar, secret rare. Is that a secret rare?
I want to choose.
We have a Phalanx V. We have a Ditto VMAX. An Indeedee. Another Indeedee. And an Ice Cube. I think Nathan's a little bit salty because I won, aren't you? But anyway, if you've enjoyed this opening, please like and
so.
subscribe. Peace.
Peace out.